We've been told the future of food is plant-based, lab-grown, or completely animal-free. But what if we've misunderstood the role of animals in our ecosystems? Let's get one thing straight. The way we currently produce food, monoculture crops, synthetic fertilizers, and industrial feedlots, is a problem. It depletes the soil, pollutes water, and contributes to climate change. But the solution isn't removing animals. It's rethinking how we raise them. Regenerative agriculture is about restoring the land, not exploiting it, and animals play a vital role in this natural system. Here's what animals do when managed properly. Fertilize the soil naturally with manure, stimulate plant growth through grazing, break pest cycles without chemicals, promote biodiversity by disturbing the soil lightly. Just like wild herds once did, nature doesn't work in isolation. Forests, grasslands, rivers, all thrive on interconnected relationships. Grazing animals have always been part of the cycle. When you remove animals from the equation, you break that cycle. You end up relying more on fossil fuels, synthetic inputs, and heavy machinery, the very things we're trying to avoid. Research shows that properly managed livestock rebuild topsoil, capture atmospheric carbon, reduce the need for external inputs, create nutrient-dense food from inedible plants. This isn't theory. It's happening right now on thousands of farms across the world. If we want sustainable food systems, we can't eliminate animals. We need to integrate them in ways that honor both the land and the life it sustains. This is about more than food. It's about climate, culture, and connection. So next time you hear that animal farming is destroying the planet, ask this: what kind of farming are we talking about? Let's work with nature, not against it. Regenerative agriculture isn't a step backward. It's a leap forward. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more truth-based nutrition and sustainability content, and drop a note in the comments if you believe in nature-based solutions.